If you think a goblet squat is just go down and stand up, you're probably doing it wrong. And your hips, low back, and knees are gonna pay the price. Done right, the goblet squat builds serious lower body strength, a rock solid core, and better mobility. We've coached thousands of squats over the years, and in this video, we're gonna break it down step by step so you can squat safely and build up to heavier bells with confidence. Pop your kettlebell up into the goblet position. Grip it firmly by the horns with your elbows pointed down. Get in a roughly shoulder width stance with your feet slightly turned out. Your squat stance, the width of your stance, and the angle of your feet will be unique to your body. So just play with it and find what works best for you. Do a quick nasal inhale and brace your abs as if someone's gonna punch you in the gut. Initiate the squat by pulling your tailbone down towards your heels. Actively pull yourself down into the squat. Do not just drop into it or surrender to gravity. Pull yourself down with tension. As you descend, drive your knees out so they track over your middle toes. Keep your heels and feet planted. Keep a long spine and a flat back. Pull your shoulders down and back, make a proud chest, and stay tall through the top of your head. In the bottom, wedge your elbows inside your knees. Go as deep as you can without letting your back round. Pro tip, if your hips feel tight and you want more depth, push the bell away from your chest. It'll help you get deeper while keeping your chest tall and your spine straight. To come up, brace your abs hard, grunt, and push the floor away with your feet. Don't forget, this is a full body movement, so your abs are working the whole time. Make sure your hips and shoulders ascend at the same speed. When you get to the top, squeeze your butt hard, brace your abs, and hit your tight, tall, standing plank. If this helped your goblet squat and you want a simple way to keep getting stronger, we have a free 8-week kettlebell training plan and buyer's guide. It's easy to follow and you'll get to practice your goblet squats so you can train safely and get strong for life. Grab it at the link below. You're probably making at least one of these mistakes. Here are the most common goblet squat mistakes I see. Mistake number 1, rounding the back. Don't let your spine round. Do keep a long spine, a proud chest, and a flat back. Mistake number 2, hinging your squat. Don't send your hips back. The squat is not a hip hinge. Do pull your tailbone down towards your heels while keeping a proud chest. Mistake number 3, coming up butt first. Don't let your butt rise faster than your shoulders. Do brace your abs, grunt to pressurize your core, and make sure your hips and shoulders ascend at the same speed. Mistake number 4, heels coming up. Don't let your heels come up. Do keep your heels planted. If your ankle mobility is limiting you, you can use wedges or lifting shoes. Mistake number 5, dropping the elbows. Don't let your elbows sink down. Do keep your elbows glued to the inside of your knees in the bottom and stay tall through your head. Ready to up your squat game? Check out this bottoms up squat video.